Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel and answering someone's request about parental control on Microsoft Windows devices. So it comes from a user that has children and they have Windows tablets and he's using a Windows PC. And he was wondering if, and how you can actually set up the different parental controls. How would you go? So there's different ways to do it. One thing for sure, there's different ways to do it. But one of them is to basically check out the fact that there's a parental control within the operating system, but mostly it has to do if you have and need to set up a Microsoft account, you can actually go even further and even go, if you want, to the tracking of websites and of activity of all of your family. To do so, you go into your Windows Security app. Within here, you'll see there's something called Family Options, and when you click there, you have all of the information that, okay, here's where your family's digital life will lie. You can help protect kids online by choosing the websites they'll visit and so on. You can actually set good habits with screen time and you decide how much time you will allow on their devices. Keep track of your child's digital life. Let your kids buy appropriate apps and games and so on. And to do this, you have, of course, already view your family settings. This brings you to the Microsoft website. So it's very important to know that. It brings you to the Microsoft website where you can actually create a family group and create all sorts of rules. And it has to do not just with computers, but you can actually do this with your phone and set up a family member and share and, of course, track them if you need to know where your kids are, or just at least know when you and what you can do and what you can have your children, what limits do you set to your children, for example, for the internet and the technology they use. So you just follow the instruction. You will need a Microsoft account to do this, and then all you have to do is add the devices one by one, and of course you'll be able to track all that information once you get online. And the fact that it's a cloud service makes it easier to actually set it up among devices. So that's where you'll go for the parental controls in Windows 10. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.